Welcome. Today, we build a medieval longsword. Enjoy. So I found this large box. I then drew the shape of the blade onto it. So I cut this little channel in the middle so that the stick can sit inside. So here's the blade glued together. I'm now just gonna glue the edges, and I put a stick right there to give it more structural integrity. So here's the blade. Now let's work on the handle. So for the crossguard, I cut out 2 thin pieces of cardboard, like this. I then cut out these smaller filler pieces of cardboard. This will just make the crossguard thicker and more sturdy. And after gluing all those together, here's the crossguard. This can be customized. I just did it as a simple configuration, just as a straight block. Now for the grip, I split it into 2 parts. The first part is just like a tube, and the second part, I cut out these 2 pieces, and they're kind of taper at the bottom. It's very subtle, but I'm gonna glue those together, and it will glue back onto the tube. So handle's done. Let's work on the pommel. So here's the pommel. I put 2 pieces of wood to reinforce it, and it's just gonna get put into the back of the grip. So after everything's put together, the sword is now done. So this entire project took me about 25 minutes to build. I'd say it's fairly easy. And yeah, that's a medieval longsword made out of cardboard and wood.